Hey guys, my name is Felix. I'm technical consultant at PTV Group, and today we want to have a look at what's new in routing. Let's jump right into our PTV developer suite. Keep in mind, PTV developers are the algorithms, are the heuristics that work in the backend, and to interact with them, you can send requests to the API, and then you can continue working with the results, with the response in your system. So let's have a look at our routing API. Today, we want to discuss routing modes. Typically, per default, the PTV developer is calculating the most practical route, basically the driver would take in most cases. However, there are situations where we explicitly want to calculate the shortest route. For example, when we calculate freight costs, there we want to calculate the shortest route and not necessarily the most practical route for the driver. So how to do that? We can change the traffic mode from the default route to short route. We developed some short sample that gives a quick overview over that feature. You find that here in the left menu in the code samples in short and fast routes. We built a quick interface to directly give you some input and how it looks like, how the request will look like. You find that directly in the first line above here. Then we can select 2 points, a starting point and a destination. Right here, I select some town called Rastatt and another town called Rottweil. Down here, we can select which routing mode the route has to be calculated with. Here we select a short and a fast route so that we can compare both routes. Let's send the request. Down here, we directly get the visualization of both routes. The short route here in blue and the fast route, the default route in orange. The default route here, the routing algorithm typically takes the bigger street, the highways to reach the destination fast, and that's usually also what a driver would take. The short route is the more direct route. Here we still keep like all restrictions and all limitations a vehicle has. We keep that in mind, and the algorithm is not planning an illegal route. Let's compare the KPIs here. We see here distance, travel time, most important KPIs to compare these two routes. Short route, we have here around 9,000 seconds and above around 100 kilometers. The fast route, however, has 162 kilometers, so 62% longer than the shortest route. However, it is, of course, the quicker, the faster route. So that's all about routing modes. See you next time. Like and subscribe. Bye-bye.